Girls never bench. They have no upper body strength. Okay, where's your fat ass then?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, you got me. You got me.
Yo, are you good, bro? Oh! What?
What's your name?
Most people call me Robbie, but you can call me anytime.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Stay dripped to the beat like ticks on fleet, fuck.
Bitch, I'm too bad. Give her a long dick, give her.
LeBron's the goal for sure.
Nah, Kobe. French all time. Can I play with you guys?
Stop jumping on my sweater.
Your favorite tiny pointless item that you have.
Literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
A lot of people are wondering if I actually play basketball. I do. I'm a sharpshooter. And if you're wondering if I'm good, here's a clip.
They're playing basketball.
How he steals Monopoly money.
Okay then.
Usually do this less I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now.
She looks like every other bitch.
Oh, I have such a good idea. Watch this. Miss Head, smile if you're alive. I can't fucking compete! I just can't fucking compete! Can you get the fuck out of my face?
Oh, this is really nice.
So this is the Honda Odyssey, definitely a lot of space.
Yeah, how many dead bodies can you fit back here?
At least 5.
Hey, if your friend sent you this, they actually want to let you know one of 3 things and you gotta figure it out. Number 1, they miss you. Number 2, they want to let you know you look nice today. And number 3, they know. They know.
What you know about rolling down in the
Stepmom not home. Dad on dog counter.
So this filter shows you your most searched thing on the internet every day. So if you scroll in, you can see that my most searched image is it's nothing.
Doing annoying things to your dog that they do to you. Part 2 of many. Waking them up in the middle of the night.
Hey Ozzy, what's going on? Look what I found! Look what I found! Look what I found! What is this? Why am I doing this? I don't even know what's under here. I don't even know what's under here. Let's go find out what's going on.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Breaks up with his girlfriend because she made an OnlyFans account.
Please, go to the house.
You broke up with me.
Because you made an OnlyFans account and I told you not to.
Okay, are you gonna pay my bills? What are you talking about? Bro, really? You gonna pay me?
People always ask me why I'll sometimes have a beer before I work out. And the reason is actually because of something pretty interesting my doctor told me, which is that I'm an alcoholic.
Control your dog. Control your dog. Control your dog, sir. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Well, it's Mr. 30 Fat, Mr. Worldwide, back at it again and let you know. I just came to remind y'all que ese culo bota caca.
Do it.
I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that pussy.
Give your dog a round of applause and watch their reaction. Saw a video about how there is no slutty clothes for men, and I've been thinking about it ever since.
Just take a fully unopened beer.
It has to be an empty beer.
Yeah, no, it has to be a full beer.
It's gonna break.
Why would it break?
Yeah, I'm
There's a lot more pressure in it.
Oh! It's stuck, my guy. It's stuck.
The fuck is you looking at?
Bleached my beard and thought this is what it looked like.
Are you ready?
Bring it,
Yes, ma'am.
There was a misinput. Calm down! You calm the fuck down! There was a misinput!
Oh my fucking god.
I'm trying to crit that.
Oh really? That.
Oh, coochie water, yeah.
Give me one good reason I shouldn't beat your ass. Cause I'ma tell mama you was fucking that woman down the street. Damn! That's a good ass reason. Let's go get some ice cream, nigga.
I'm relaxed. A little more squish here, not as much as a peck would be.
What was that?
Wanna go see a movie?
Amogus.
I'm an 8th grade boy in the back of the classroom.
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Shot with me, dirty from 1 to 10. Bing. Alright, number 1, we got Beanie. Number 2, we got Heat. Number 3, we got It. Number 4, we got Beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got Cheat.
Get your money, man. Like those on.
Fucked up, fucked up, fuck.
It'll be fun to get my boy right. Already looking swag. Sweaty. Personal barber right here, baby.
Were they easier?
Yeah. Oh yeah, already looking amazing.
It tickles.
Yo, we getting that personal cut, you feel? Oh yeah. My bad, pimp. She doesn't like that personal haircut. Oh yeah.
This is how I feel, you know. I've just been feeling down lately and things have just been rough. It's kind of off topic, but you haven't paid me yet for these sessions. Like I said, man, like financially right now, I just can't afford it. So you can't pay me today? Like, nah, no man, money? I can't do a payment today. Damn. Oh, I see. You know, this is why you always been a bitch, you know? Like, that's why she left your ass. Like, you're a fucking loser, bro. Okay, how you depressed and broke, bro? I'll pay you, pick a struggle with your cheap ass, bro. At least pay me, bro. I can't do this right now.
Aw, that's so cute. My younger brother got me pregnant.
And you're sure that's gonna be enough room?
Yeah, no, this is plenty of space. I'm on.
Are you hot? Do you want me to make it cooler?
No, this is a perfect temperature.
Oh my god, do you want me to turn the lights off? The lights?
No, don't worry, don't worry.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Dogs are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. They must be God. Cats are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. I must be God.
Invited the weird girl over.
I don't know a hoe after we fuck, she can't get near me. Only bitch I give a conversation to a Siri. My parents.
Beautiful tits and rack. Love it. See ya.
It just tickles.
I don't like things on my nose.
Just you're fine.
I'm not gonna move anymore.
Look
up there, okay?
Don't move. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
You can't move. You have to hold still.
Yeah, you close your eyes.
It's going through my nose. Okay, close your eyes.
I can't have your hand right there.
Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Ready? Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Get out.
No, you're done. Stop. You gotta get the jewelry in. See, you're done. Look, your eyes don't even water. Breathe. Neve. Breathe, kiddo. Yeah. Breathe, Neve. You're okay.
It's on the ledge.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Can you get it out? Just I'm just giving you a minute to breathe because you weren't breathing. Did I die?
You're fine, okay? For a second.
Kyle, here. Jason, here. Evan.
Front and center.
What's white and 14 inches long? What? Nothing. What's black and long? What? Why not Popeyes?
Hit him.
Different ways people tap their cards, part 2. Oh, I have to tap? Oh, this one? Oh, okay, sorry, I was just... Oh, wrong side. Sorry. $400? Oh. Why? You guys have top? Okay, cool. I have to tap again? Is it gonna charge me twice?
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, sorry.
No, actually, my girlfriend thinks I'm hanging out with my uncle, but in actuality, I'm going bowling with James Charles. You think you can maybe like help corroborate my lie?
What?
Hey baby, I'm just shopping with my uncle. Don't wait up for me because like we're gonna be remodeling his bathroom. Just a little bit of like you know, uncle nephew intimacy time, you know, right? Yeah.
When you
A little bit. Okay, you're done. Good. Let me see. Yeah.
David, not only is that funny and original, but the execution was phenomenal. His haircut is so silly. Can I have a Tesla?
I hate bitches, 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 I hate